Okay, so what we are discussing in today's demo class is AWS AI ML specialty course. So I am Prashant Kumar. So I am a postgraduate in data science and AI from IIT Delhi back in 2015, and after that I have been in the AI domain for the last 8 9 years till now. So, what we will discuss in this course is basically we will start with understanding this field first and going in detail what we will cover in this course and why this course is important in terms of skill development or skill building. So first of all, you have to understand actually the difference between this data science and AI. So what is this data science? So data science, from the name it suggests, is the study where you extract meaningful insights from data. That is simply known as data science. So if you do number crunching, you make visual reports. So you are analyzing some data. So that type that process is basically called as data science. Now, how this AI is different from data science? What is the key difference between these two terms? So in AI, you will not analyze the data, but you will learn from data. So the only minute or acute difference between data science and AI is in AI systems, the system will learn from data. It will not analyze anything. You will not show visual reports or anything like that, but you will learn from data. So that is the key difference between data science and AI. So what is the goal of an AI system? Basically to mimic a human intelligence. So that's why it's called artificial intelligence, to mimic human intelligence process. So in human intelligence process, basically logical reasoning, knowledge representation, planning, natural language processing, perception, and based on that decision making. So that is the goal of an AI system, to basically mimic human intelligence to cover all these aspects of a human being that can be done artificially. That's why called as artificial intelligence, the a type of systems that can learn from data. So what are the steps that are required to build an AI software? So first of all, you will define a goal and collect data. So we will see this through an example. I will show you an example, live example for this. So you will define a goal, then collect the data. Then you will do data transformation or pre-processing. So before consuming that data, you will clean it. You will take only those type of data points that are very important. Uh, so that process is called as pre-processing. Then you will do some feature engineering. Feature engineering means you will do some manipulation on the data to make it balanced all across the data points. So you will do scaling, you will do normalization, all kind of the steps comes under feature engineering. The next step you will do is build your ML algorithms. So what is this ML now? So we saw data science and AI, two terms. Now this new term comes called as machine learning. So machine learning is nothing but the algorithm, exact algorithm to learn from data. So whatever algorithm we are using in the AI system, that is called as machine learning algorithms that can learn from data. So you will build your algorithm, ML algorithms, you will evaluate, and when your algorithm is performing fine or its accuracy is good, then you will deploy your AI model or ML model. So both are synonyms with each other. But sometimes it is called as AI, or sometimes it is called as ML. So both are synonyms. One are the same thing. So what are the real world examples of AI systems? I will show you one such example which covers, we will discuss these steps, how it is built in the background. So when I go to this Google Chrome and go to this tools, here you can see news as a tool, right? So when I click on it, so lot of news comes, but you will notice that topics articles related to same topics are coming under same place. So, PM Modi visit to France, some news around Trump. So, one specific topic, all the articles related to it are coming in one go. If I go to a full coverage, you will see one topic only and all the articles related to that topic. Any tweets are there that will also come. So all this, what is happening in the background? Somebody is collecting all these articles? No. So there is an AI ML system built in in the backend side. What its purpose is, learn what is the topic of a article and collect it together. So based on topics, collect all the articles together, learn to do it. So that is the AI or ML system behind the scenes of this Google News. So what it does, it will collect data. So it will collect define goal. So what is the goal? Collect all articles related to same topic together. Then Google must have collected all the articles from the all the news agencies. So they have their own ad, what you can say data sources. So they take all the articles from their data sources, collect the data. They will do some pre-processing, feature engineering, because each article is a text based article. So they will convert text into some numerical form of vector data types that computer or machine learning can learn from. So machine learning is nothing but some mathematical model that can learn from data. Some equation they will solve and learn from data. That's it. So for any algorithm to run, it should be in numerical values. So that's why this feature engineering must be done to convert text data to numeric vectors that can be fed to the machine learning algorithm to be learned. Now here what machine learning algorithm is used in the background when they are building it, it is called as a clustering algorithm. Clustering algorithm, what it does, it collects all data points and groups similar data points together. So here also the same type of task we need. We need articles related from same topic coming together. So that machine learning algorithm they must have built, they have evaluated and deployed. So you can see the deployment directly only. And they have given all kind of bifurcations. So based on India, world, you can filter out, or topic also you can filter out your news contents. But the same type of topic related to same type of articles, they will come all together in one. So in the backend, this is the steps they must have followed. So this is one example, real world example I gave, but the applications are unlimited. So for example, effective targeting of the advertisements. So Google 90% revenue comes from advertisement, right? So they uh, you will see uh, all types of sponsored. So wherever there, if you search anything, wherever there is written sponsored, so here it is written sponsored in the first link only. So what is this sponsored? This is a advertisement. So this page, it is coming in the top because they have paid Google to run their ads. So whatever is written sponsored, it's an advertisement. So based based on the content of your search, so I searched AWS. Based on that, it will show me the relevant um, targeted advertisements to me based on my searches. So in the background, nobody is sitting there and doing this. There is an AI or ML system built to learn from my searches and show relevant advertisements. So this is one case. So same thing happens in YouTube also. So when you search for a particular type of video, so next time also same type of video comes, and also advertisements related to that topic only comes. So in the background there is an AI application built into it. So there are a lot of n number of real world examples actually used each and every part of wherever there is a data collection process. So wherever there is data, you can apply n number of applications in onto it, right? Because you can learn a lot of things from data. So now we understood what is data science and AI. What is the difference between these two? What are ML algorithms? ML algorithms are mathematical models that can learn from that data. So now what is this AWS then? So AWS is a cloud service provided by Amazon. So it's like a computer only, so your desktop or laptop, but in a large scale that can be accessed through internet. So that's what is called as a cloud platform. So one of the earliest provider of cloud platform services in the world, um, AWS, and it captures. And why we are learning AWS only? Because there are a lot of competition in the market. So because the majority market share for the cloud computing industry, AWS covers 31% out of it. Azure, which is from Microsoft, also it is also a widely adopted cloud platform. It covers 25%, and GCP, Google Cloud Platform, for 11, 10, 11%. So top three are AWS, Azure, and GCP. So in a particular company, it is not necessary that only one cloud platform will be there. So different teams have different platforms. They go for Azure, some team go for Azure, some team go for GCP, some team go for AWS. But the market share for the AWS is the highest. So for a two to three projects, 50% they will opt for AWS only. So it is better to learn the concept in the most adopted cloud platform, that is AWS. So what type of services we can get? So same thing, it's a computer only, but on a server scale, which can be accessed through internet. So what type of services it will have? It will have compute power, it will have storage, you can build databases, you can do networking, you can do all kind of AI services. So we'll look into the platform when we come to that place. So whatever a simple computer laptop can do, it you can do it same, but much more in a cloud platform. You can access through internet also. So what are the contents of this course? So the contents of this course are basically, uh, you can see it in the website also. I will just share this in the. So you do access from the chat right now itself. You click on it. So that link you can save to see the detailed. So the same demo class, the previous batch we had. So same demo class is uploaded in this site, and here is the course content. So what we'll start with is AWS basic services. So S3 is a storage service. Kinesis, AWS Glue, which is a data transformation. So sorry, I showed you the steps, right? So you always have to remember the steps. Based on the steps, different services are there for each particular step. So data transformation pre-processing, this Glue is there. Step functions also you can use for this both these two things. Now this data analytics, here you can go for this to data transformation and pre-processing, data collection. All these things comes under exploratory data analytics. So we will learn data science and AI, both the things. So in data science, we will learn to pre-process data and also analyze and build reports. So you can actually see what insights you can get from data, and then we will go deeper and build AI systems that can learn from data. So we'll do both the things in this course. So here data analytics, it is written basically, it's a mechanism how you can visualize data, analyze your data, build reports. So all this kind of topics will come here. So we'll go deeper and understand what is machine learning, what is deep learning, and what all algorithms are there, which all services we can use in the AWS to deploy all these services. So Amazon SageMaker is an end-to-end platform to build AI systems in AWS. So how you can use SageMaker for all kind of AI software development. So we'll go into that. So there are pre-built high-level machine learning services provided by AWS. We'll look into it. So for example, AWS Transcribe is a service which can convert speech to text. Uh, so a lot of services are provided pre-hand, and we will learn what exactly which type of services are used for which type of purpose. So we'll look into that. Then we will uh, deploy our custom models, how we can deploy our custom models in SageMaker. So this is the course content we have. So each module we will do real task. So this course is 90% practical and 10% some background to learn the theory first and then do the practical. So in each topic we will do project level task. For example, in S3, what we will do is how we will create a bucket. Bucket is basically a storage space where you put your files. Then do certain tasks over it to duplicate the data, uh, to uh, uh, to make a backup of that particular bucket. So all this task, real world task that actually when you go to office environment to work on this particular field, you will actually do the same things in whatever we will learn in this course. So Glue is a platform where you can write codes to do extract, transform, and load. So ETL means extract, transform, and load. Same thing, the data transformation and pre-processing. So extract means collect data, transform, and then load. So that is the steps we follow in Glue. So we will do certain tasks where we will fetch data from internet, we'll do some transformations, and then we will load it to the S3 bucket. So all this task, so we will do it topic wise, and each topic we will do tasks that are actually relevant in the industry, and actually you will do same thing in the job also. So for the projects, what we will do is we will create custom machine learning models in SageMaker. So I will show you the same clustering algorithm. So we will do Python crash course when we come to SageMaker, because it has mechanism where you can deploy or develop your custom AI ML models through Python coding. So all AI related coding is done in Python. So we'll learn do a crash course in Python. Then we will apply how which modules or which library we can use to build AI models. We'll look into that. There is so here it says object to vector. So basically what it does is it converts text to some vector or numerical values that can be fed to the ML model for learning process. So image classification, object detection. K-means is the clustering algorithm. So we'll look into each of the algorithm and how we can uh, code it in SageMaker. So that is the way we will go. And in the end also we will see two more services. So I will just go to this particular site. This is the AWS site. So if you go to this products, here you will see lot of services. So in analytics, AI based. So we will look into all AI based plus analytics. So whatever in analytics, we will see that, and AI, we will see that. So whatever analytics, it is same as data science. Somebody called it data science, data analytics, business analytics, same thing. So all topics related to analytics and all topics related to AI. So we'll look into it. So in this, we will look the new service that just came after this generative AI chat GPT type of models that came. So this Amazon Bedrock is a service where you can deploy your chatbots, AI based chatbots. So we'll look into that. So in this way, we will go topic wise and some projects. for each. So it will not be if the topic is very small, we'll go with task. So that is the way we will go, but we will do it topic wise, and it will be 90% practical. So any questions other than this? Okay, I'll go forward then. If somebody has their question, they can ping in the chat also. Okay, so we saw what is AWS. Yeah, anybody question?
So, after this 10, like, how many years of experience can we put in the resume? We are working, and what profile I'll be putting? Like, I'm working
Yeah,
for
yeah,
this.
yeah. Yeah, I will talk about that in the next slide itself. So I talked about the course content. You can also go through yourself also from the link in the chat. So what I was talking was SageMaker, what this service is used, build, train, and deploy machine learning models quickly and at scale. There is one more service named as Recognize or Recognition. So analyzes image and video to detect objects. S3 storage service. Poly turns text into human-like speech. Glue, so extract, transform, and load service that automates data preparation, discovery, and integration. So all type of services are there. I have listed few of those to just understand what naming conventions they have. We'll go deep also in this. Now the question you were asking is basically which profile I can go for. So in this data science and AI domain, there are mainly three different type of profiles in the entry level that are named as data scientist, business analyst or data analyst, or data engineer, AI ML engineer, Gen AI engineer. This kind of profile names are there. So all are the same, different companies. The naming convention is different, but the difference in the profile comes from the work they do. So data scientists are core AI. Data scientists are basically core experts in developing AI, ML models. So machine learning AI algorithms, they will work on those kind of stuffs, um, and they will build custom AI models for the company. So their core job is to develop new AI models or solve some AI related learning based process and develop it. The business analyst and data analyst, so they don't so the difference is basically they are more inclined to provide strategic data analysis to the business and to the higher management, where they will build reports in Power BI, Excel. So their main goal is to analyze data and make strategies out of it to grow their business. So that is the main difference. Now this, what is this data engineer, AI ML engineer? So this data scientists, they have developed their AI models, correct? So they tested in their computer, but they need to deploy it for millions of users, right? So how those things will be done? So those things will be done in the cloud. So the study of the cloud where the AI system you can deploy is called as data engineer. Now, it was the case when this particular field was actually starting in the beginning. Now what is happening is there are a lot of demand for this person, data engineer, who can develop AI models as well as deploy it in larger scale. So that is the current phase going on. So they need both the things, a data scientist and a cloud engineer. So that's why they are calling full stack data engineer or full stack data scientist kind of profiles, where they can develop AI models and also deploy it in the cloud and scale it. So whatever we are learning, you can apply for all these three profiles, doesn't matter. But if you go for the core expertise of AWS AI, you will search for data engineer. So I will show you the job profiles how it comes. So from the same name you can search. So this is a naukri.com. It's a India based job portal. So exact name you can search. So business analyst, if I would have searched the skills, mostly they will ask Power BI, SQL, Tableau. Data engineer, they will ask for cloud computing, any cloud computing. Let's see, data engineer. So a lot of jobs are there, 15,000 jobs at this point. So Amazon itself, they are providing data engineer, manager. So if you are fresher also, let's see. So 400 jobs. So lot of are there. GCP means Google Cloud Platform. They are specifically working in Google platform, but it doesn't matter. The concept is same. The services are same. uh, you just have to have a practical knowledge about one such cloud platform. So why not learn the highest market share, AWS only? So that is the case. So here you will see it is asking for Python, SQL. So we will look into SQL means basically databases. So our course include AWS databases. We will look one or two databases. Mm, So here it is saying AWS Cloud Services. So here it is saying GCP. So it doesn't matter, different company, but same type of services they provide. Here also, if they must have mentioned, nothing mentioned, but the same type of steps that we saw, they are asking for those. Here also ETL process, data pipeline and ETL process. So for ETL process, which service we will use? AWS Glue. So ETL means extract, transform and load. So any of the platform they will ask, but mostly they will go for AWS. So S3 storage bucket, Redshift is the database provided by AWS. So all type of skills that are actually in the job market, in the job descriptions and day-to-day working of this profile, we will cover in this course. But you can search with any profile name and you can apply, because you will get all the basic understanding. So if you'll search for data scientist also, so a lot of jobs are there. They will ask also the same type of things. So in the beginning, there was a difference, but right now people expect all the skills you should have. You can analyze data, you can build AI models, also you can deploy it in the cloud platform. So that is the industry norm right now, because they need a full stack data scientist that can do all this profile works. So data scientist also same things they will ask. They will not ask for specifically any cloud platform, but machine learning based algorithms you must learn. So basically Python, that will cover in the course. So you will go for all these three profiles, but mainly if you want to go for a core, whatever we are learning, you should search for data engineer, and it has more scope because you can develop new AI models, also deploy it both at the same time. So this is the demo session. So we will discuss still right here. So if this course goes on a regular basis, it will happen on Monday to Friday morning 8 a.m. IST. So whatever time you have joined, same time, Monday to Friday, Saturday, Sunday off. So when regular classes will start, so we'll cover all the services. So this is the course material for the course. So you can see a lot of things are there. So more than 800 pages. So we'll look into all the topics in the regular course when it start. Okay, hope to see you in your regular classes. You can connect with the Visualpath team when regular batches start, and hope everybody joins it. So, yeah, thanks a lot.